This is a Barbie Passport Pink cruise ship playset. So it is a retired set, so you would not be able to get it in the store anymore. The opening bid is going to be $124.97. To buy it now for $229.97. Someone actually bought this from me on Mercari for $224.99 on a Saturday, and I couldn't pick it up before the post office closed, and then she canceled on Sunday. So I'm gonna try and get the $229.97 or whatever, but I'm starting it out at $124.97, so that's quite a big discount from that for this playset. So it's a 3-day listing from ntxmax. It'll end on Thursday, December 11th, around 9:13 p.m. Central Time, and it's live.